welcome to my new custom order crochet skirt vlog. In this video I will explain how I made this skirt in short. Well, I got this order to customize the size for adult size from my previously made skirt for kids. So now, let's go through how I completed this order from scratch. First I chose the lovely colors combo and purchased yarns. Let's have a look at the colors combo. So these are the colors I chose. You can purchase it from online or any shops. I purchased it from online. Comment if you like these colors combo. First I made 6 granny squares, but the number depends on the waist size of the skirt. After joining all the granny squares, make waistband making front post double crochet. Then start making body of the skirt using crochet chevron stitch until you reach the desired length of the skirt. Woohoo, it's ready to wear. Like, comment, share if you like this crochet skirt vlog. Subscribe for more such vlogs and crochet tutorials.